Hello class 10th, welcome to your geography class. Today I'm going to continue the same chapter, chapter 1, topographical maps. So in previous videos I had started exercises related to topographical maps. So exercise 3 is left now. So I'm going to finish this exercise number 3, that is appendix number 3 in this class. So wasting no time, let's get started. Okay, let's begin with question number 3A. So question number 3, study map sheet number 45D by 10, eastings 18 to 26. So I told you the easting reading is like this, eastward, right? Easting reading, that is 18 to 26, and northing readings 18 to 28. As this reading is marked in that topo sheet number 45D by 10. And answer the following questions. Refer index 3, that means appendix. You need to refer appendix number 3, which is given here in your book. Now see question A, what do you understand by ordinance maps? So this I already told you. Ordinance maps are what? Are those maps which give less detail but covers a larger area and show places of interest like landscape, roads, tourists places, etc. Right? Okay, second B1, give 4-figure grid references of the following. Number 1, Moti Talao near Gulabganj. So turn your appendix number 3, Moti Talao near Gulabganj. So this is your appendix number 3, Moti Talao. Excuse me. So this is Gulabganj here, settlement. Moti Talao is here. So you need to find out the 4-figure grid reference of this Moti Talao. So you'll see this Moti Talao and see the easting reading, that is 19 and northing reading is after 1920. So 4-figure grid reference of exercise 3B. Moti Talao near Gulabganj is 1920. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now next, dam on Sipu Nadi. So 4-figure grid, dam. Now where's the dam? Dam is present here. So you need to see this block, this red square. So this is in easting reading is 22, right? And the northing reading is 21. So 2221. 2221. This is 4-figure grid. So this way you are going to find out the 4-figure grid, as I already told you about how to find out the 4-figure grid. So just revising it once again. Now 1 and 2 I've done here. 3 and 4, exercise 3B, 3 and 4 is your homework, right? Now come to the C point, question, that is give 4-figure grid references of the following. Dispensary at Sirori. So dispensary, I think this I had already told you. Now let's do this one. Perennial lined well in Pithapura. C, 4th one. Perennial lined well in Pithapura. This is exercise 3rd. B1, and this is third B. Now 3rd C. 4th one I'm doing for you, and rest 1, 2, 3 is your homework, right? Now 4th one, that is perennial lined well in Pithapura. Now just see where is perennial well. First you find out the settlement Pithapura. So Pithapura is here, right? And this perennial well at Pithapura. So you need to see this one, this perennial well. right? So this perennial well, you find out the four-figure grid. This is 20 space 20 space 22, and make a space there, right, for other digits. So here we are finding out a six-figure grid. So you need to put scale here. Okay, now points to remember, like there are three perennial wells here in Pithapura, right? So this settlement is Pithapura. This settlement is Pithapura. There are three perennial wells. This one near this riverbed, and one is in at Pithapura, and one is towards southeastern of Pithapura, right? So the question is why we have taken this one, because the question is you need to find out the perennial lined well in Pithapura. So in Pithapura is here, right? So we are going to take this six-figure grid of this perennial lined well, right? Not this, neither this one nor this one, right? So we are taking this one, this perennial well. Clear? Okay, now just find out the six-figure grid. How you'll find out? You put scale here and count the bars from here to here. So this is, so that reading comes out 13. So 13, we are not going to write 13 there. We are going to write half of 13. So half of 13 is 6.5. Again, we are not going to write in decimal. We are going to round off that, right? So that is either write 6 or 7. So I'm going to write here 7. 6 also is acceptable, right? So I'm going to write here 7. Now you are going to take reading like this. So this is 0.5. So 0.5, now we can't 0.5, half of 0.5 means let's take 0, right? Because 0.5, half of 0.5 means 0.25. So let's take it 0. So this is your six-figure grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Okay. So this is how we are going to find out six-figure grid. Now fourth one I have done. First three questions, 1, 2, 3, you are going to do yourself. Now let's come to D question. What is the meaning of the following conventional signs? Number 1 is brown lines in grid square 2418. So brown lines are what? It's given in grid square 2418. So 24 easting reading, 18 is this. So these brown lines are what? These are form lines which shows the presence of hill. So you'll write brown lines are form lines which shows the presence of hill or hills there. Clear? Okay, now next question is DB in grid square 2025. So that's dark bungalow. Number 3, this red blocks, that's which settlement is this? Nucleated or compact or clustered, right? Settlement. Now question number 4, LY in grid square 2527. So I told you LY is what? LY represent the number of 100 of kilometers eastward from the starting point, right? So whenever you see LY means that point, that number of 100 of kilometers eastward from the starting point, right? Okay, now next is question number 5, N 9R in grid square 2020. So NR in grid 9R in grid square 2020. So this 9R is what? Depth of Depth of the river, depth of Sipu Nadi, depth of Sipu Nadi, because name of Nadi is given, Sipu Nadi. That is 9 meter. Now next question is 22R, which is given in blue in grid square 2323. So this is understood. 22R, which is given in blue, that is the height of the perennial lined well. Perennial lined well, right? That is 22 meter. Now question number E. Give the directions of the following. So I'm going to do one for you, and rest 3 you'll do yourself, right? So let's do this one. Third I'm going to do for you. That is Tokra, which is given, the settlement is given in 2221. Just find it out. From Gulabganj 1920. So I'm going to draw these settlements here. Okay, the settlements on your topographical map is like this. Here we have Tokra settlement, and this side we have Gulabganj. Now the question is, you need to find out the direction of Tokra from Gulabganj, right? So from Gulabganj you are going to make direction there. You have this 4 cardinal direction: north, south, east, west. So Tokra is between these two direction. So that is northeast. So you are going to write northeast. So Tokra is towards northeast from Gulabganj. Clear? Okay. So rest E, question 1 to 4 is your homework. Now come to the next question. Question number G. What is the main mode of transport as shown in the map? So what is the main mode of transport? Main mode means one main mode of transport which connects almost all the settlements. That is metalled road. What is there? Metalled road. So main mode of main mode of transport shown in the map extract is metalled road. Right? Okay, now next question. Let's move to the next question. Now question G, second part. Give reason why the streams flowing in grid 2018 do not join the main stream. The reason is the streams are disappearing streams, right? That is why they do not join the main river, right? Okay, now next question. Question H. What do you understand by the brown lines drawn in the grid square 2226? If you see that grid square 2226, you'll find the brown lines like this. So these are form lines. Now state the similar lines drawn in the southeastern quarter. Southeastern quarter, you see towards the southeastern side of the map, you'll find the similar lines there, right? So there you find out the highest point. So highest point, you see in the green patch, you will find the highest point, that is Bhuni Magri. Bhuni Magri is the highest point because there this height is given 437. Spot height 437. This is the highest point in the southeast quarter of the map. So that is spot height 437, right? So this 437 is a meter. So that's the highest point of that area. Now next is, what is the main occupation of the people? Support your answer with 2 examples. So what are the 2 occupations? So what is the main occupations? Main occupation, if you see here, you'll find yellow patches there, and green patches also you can see in a different area of this topo sheet, and red double line and red single lines you can see there. So you can say the main occupation is transport. because of these metal road and this cart tracks. Second, you can write this agriculture, because yellow patch you can see all over the map extract except this southeastern side, right? Yellow patch, so people are involved in agriculture or cultivation, right? That also you can write. Or main occupation, you can write this transport. Main occupation is transport, because almost all the settlements are connected with the metal road and cart tracks. So that is your answer. Now, next question is, what is the general difference in the relief of northwestern quarter and southeastern quarter of the map extract? What is the general difference in the relief in northwestern and southeastern quarter? Northwestern, that means this portion, and southeastern. So what is the difference in a general slope? Difference in relief means difference in a highest point. So you see in the southeastern and northwestern quarter. So this is your northwestern quarter. The highest point is your 300 spot height 329, whereas south eastern part you'll find 470, spot height 470. So what's the difference? You'll see this in the southeastern side, the highest point is spot height 470, whereas in northwestern side the highest point is spot height 329. So that's the difference, right? So that is the difference in the relief of northwest quarter and southeast quarter of the map extract, right? Okay, now next, what is shown by blue color in the center of the map extract? So this blue color, I think you all can answer this. What is this blue structure? This is a dam, D-A-M, dam, right? So you'll write the dam in that question. Now next is question K. State the differences in the drainage pattern found in the following in grid square 2519. So state the differences in drainage pattern found in 2519 and 2127. 2519. 2519 is this one. This drainage pattern. And the next one is 2127. 2127. 27. This one. So what's the difference? Here we have dendritic drainage pattern. In this grid square we have dendritic drainage pattern, whereas in this we have 2127. 27. So disappearing. This one is disappearing. So that's the difference. 2127 is having 2127 is a disappearing stream, whereas 2519 there is a dendritic drainage pattern, right? So that's the difference. Now give the settlement pattern. This I already told you about how to find out the settlements. I explained all the settlement patterns. So you are going to study that map, study the settlement, and you are going to write it yourself, right? Now next is find out the highest and the lowest point of the map extract, and also find their location on the map. So location on the map means you need to write in the south side or in a north of the map, or towards east, towards west, or towards quarter northwest quarter, northeast quarter, or towards southeast quarter, or southwest quarter, that you are going to write. And you need to find out the highest and the lowest point. Highest point, that means spot height with the highest number, right? And lowest point means spot height with the lowest number. So that you are going to mention, and you are going to mention the location also on the map. Now, what is the general slope of the map extract? Okay children, that's all for the day. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.